What is that, dude?
That's the criminal's shirt. Oh, is that
like a police chase? And it looks like somebody tried shooting out the tire.
Bullet lodged in the speaker.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and today we're not going to continue working on our Porsche 911 turbo build because, as you guys seen in the previous video, we basically got that sucker fully repaired and it's pretty much finished for now until all the parts come in from a different country, which is going to take a couple of weeks. So in the meantime, while we wait, we're going to move on to our brand new build, a wrecked 2019 Lamborghini Urus, one of the most epic SUVs around, I think, but I really don't know if it's better than this Trackhawk right here, a supercharged 700 horsepower Trackhawk. How is it going to be any better than this right here? What do you think, dude?
I don't know. This thing, you said it's supercharged, but the Urus is twin turbo. So turbos versus supercharger, but this apparently, I mean, that's pretty much the ultimate SUV, dude.
It is, but dude, I guess we're just gonna have to rebuild one and see for ourselves. I mean, we do got that electric Tesla up there. I don't know, it's pretty quick, but I don't know if it compares to anything like this, dude. You know what I mean?
We don't care about RC cars, dude.
That is right there. We're focused on the gas guzzlers, the ones that make ruckus, make noise, and have some sort of whine or some sort of whistle. You know what I mean?
That right, dude.
So I guess what we're gonna do is just go ahead and roll the footage of this Lamborghini Urus that we got delivered a couple months ago. We've been hiding this sucker for the longest time, so man, we've been excited. It's been tarped up just over there, so some of you guys might have noticed something here and there in the background. So this is the day that we introduced to you guys our second Lamborghini, dude. What an exciting day it is today, man.
Super excited. Same color, same everything, dude. This thing is gonna be super exciting.
That is right, man.
I'm excited like crazy, dude.
Exactly, man. And of course it's punched pretty bad, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead, roll the footage, and show you guys our brand new Lamborghini.
There's a bullet lodged in the speaker.
Alrighty guys, so here it is. Ever since we got it off the truck, we just parked it right here, threw a tarp over it, and of course we did check it out a little bit because we wanted to order all the parts. That way we're not waiting on anything anymore, and this thing is just absolute beauty, man. I was actually kind of sad to cover it up and hold a secret in for a couple months, but today is the day. Today we're gonna untarp it. We're gonna show you guys what damages this thing has, and also there's something super interesting that happened to this car, which we noticed like right off the bat as soon as we started looking into it. And as you guys know, our first Lamborghini Huracan had an insane story behind it of what happened to it. We even had a video of that thing wiping out, which was just outstanding, dude. That was amazing, dude. When you can catch footage of like a car wrecking, or even catch pictures of a car wrecking, like our Porsche, we had an upside down photo, so we had to flip it upside down to see if that was correct.
We can do the same thing to this,
We can do the same thing, but this thing is a whole different ball game. How it's damaged and all that good stuff. I think this thing was involved in a shooting.
Ooh-wee, look at this thing, dude.
Dude, this thing's a beauty, man.
Oh my goodness, after not seeing it for a long time, look at that front end, looks super aggressive. I guess let's start with the exterior,
dude,
right?
Right off the bat, I mean, the Lamborghini Urus has the best look out of every SUV I've ever seen. I mean, Trackhawk looks amazing, but the front end, the aggressive look, it just looks like a beefed up Huracan with 4 doors, dude.
Exactly, dude. I know this actually looks like a legit like Lamborghini up front here. I have seen a black one in person, and honestly, that sucker looks like an Audi to me.
Yeah, black ones, you can't really see the body lines. You can't see the grill stuff because as you can tell, the black on white looks super good. You can see the aggressive front bumper. The headlights look super good. I mean, this whole entire side, this is the undamaged side of this car, which looks absolutely incredible.
First off, let's start off with how massive that rotor is. I don't know if you can really pick that up, dude. Put your hand right next to that,
Put my head, look at this, man. This thing is bigger than my head. This thing, I don't know how much pistons this thing is, but my hand just covers the top portion of it. And I got a pretty big hand, and those rotors are massive as well.
Carbon ceramic as well.
Carbon ceramic, dude. I bet the brake pads are probably bigger than my head as well, dude.
That's going to be an interesting one, which I think we actually got one damaged, which I know carbon ceramics always run a pretty penny,
probably around 5 to 10 grand of carbon ceramic. But the wheels, dude, I wonder if these are factory wheels, factory tires, because these tires are kind of fat, dude. They do not look good, and the car looks super low. Does it have air suspension?
I believe so. It's got some sort of air suspension on it, which supposedly I think it looks like it's out of whack or something. But I was noticed right here on the front bumper, it looks like we got some sort of clear bra on it right there.
Yeah, it got some PPF on it. Looks like it kind of ripped off. This fender flare is popped off right here. Let's just go ahead, pop that back on. Probably from the accident, dude. I'm already fixing stuff, dude.
I wonder what that could have been from. But
oh, dude, we do have some damage on this fender too.
From the tire hitting, probably?
Probably. Dang, or something. Dude. But you know what? We can probably save this. I believe those fenders are pretty pricey, right?
Yes, sir, which we already have been looking at parts. You know, we're not going to have the same situation with the Porsche. We pretty much already ordered everything for this car, dude.
You got that right. But look at the fenders. They look super sick with this like fake looking vent. You got the Italian flag, which always is super cool. The doors, they just look aggressive. You got like a weird body line going here, a couple crazy body lines going there.
Look at the body line going here. I think that's the thing about Lamborghini is like they like the hexagonal shapes or something like that, or the pentagonal,
octagons, whatever. Octagon shapes, man. They love that. So that's like the whole entire theme. But dude, this thing like looks insane on the side. The front looks good, but if we move on over here to the back, dude, I gotta say, dude, Lamborghini did an amazing job on the rear end.
Look at this rear end. That looks insane. And of course, you know, I'm getting ahead of myself, but I know you can do some pretty cool body kits to these suckers, dude.
I mean, a lot of people, the first thing they do, like if they do a body kit, is of course wide body, which I don't know, we may end up going that route, maybe something small. I know a lot of people do like the wheels and wide body and lowering springs, which obviously we probably want to lower. Or do you think this should be lifted with,
no, definitely gonna go low. It's gonna look super clean like we like to do it. And that's for this wheel right here. That sucker is damaged, so we're definitely gonna get a fresh set of, like, I don't know, some Boston, something aggressive.
What size these wheels are. These 22s or what? Let's just go ahead and check these suckers out. Oh, dang, it kind of got worn out, like all this stuff, but some nice like 22s or something like that, like kind of like what we have on the Trackhawk would look really good, like all black.
That would look insane. But look, for this side right here, pretty much no damages right here. The back end looks pretty good. Got a busted glass, of course.
Busted glass. I mean, look at the rear end. It got like a diffuser looking thing right here, which I don't know if that's scratched up or not, but that would look good in carbon.
I was
maybe
just about
like
to say
a
that
bigger
right there,
diffuser. Dude. But the tail lights, they kind of resemble the Huracan as well. You know, the nice little tail lights. Dude. This one got some kind of water in there, which that means it may be cracked somewhere. You know what I mean?
Not good. But the lid back here, the bumper, is the bumper good all the way throughout?
Yeah, I think the bumper's good, but this right here, when you're coming up on this side, beware. This is our damaged side, which honestly, after working on the Porsche, this does not look that bad, dude.
This is nothing right here. I guarantee you we'll have this sucker fixed in no time, but this bumper did take a little bit of damage. I think that's fixable though, right?
We will fix that bumper right there. Just a little bit of plastic repair. Just popped out. Tail light looks still pretty good, so hopefully
Wait a minute.
What is that?
Did we just get screwed over, dude?
Somebody done taped this and painted this car, dude.
No way, dude. Look at that. That's a sure sign. Look at that.
So this probably been repaired before. I mean, look at the paint right here. It's like, you see that?
Yes. Oh my goodness,
Somebody probably repaired this thing. Probably, I wonder if this thing was a rental.
That's very possible.
Could be a rental. They did a quick repair job. Because look at this. Look, that's missing. That's like chips in the paint and they've been like touched up, or they just...
Yeah, that's definitely repainted quarter panel. Let's go back to this side right quick. And I know you can tell if this side has been repainted or anything.
Of course, right off the bat, dude, the finish, you want to look at the finish. There's no orange peel. I mean, there's a slight OEM kind of little orange peel, but this side's OEM, no tape line. So they probably either repaired this quarter panel or swapped it out, but it definitely looks probably like they repaired it for sure, dude.
That's just unacceptable. You can't do that type of paint job on a Lamborghini, dude.
You cannot tape up a taillight. You got to take that whole entire rear entire section off, dude. That's
Wow,
crazy.
dude.
So probably this side has been repaired before, repainted, which is a good thing that this side got damaged, because
we're gonna fix it the right way.
We're
dude.
gonna fix it the right way. But look at this, 2 doors just got absolutely obliterated. I don't even know what that is, because there's no other colors. There's no road rash, you know, from a different car. There's no like different colors. Usually you have like
some sort of like clue that it was like a car.
Yeah,
you really can't. Like
this
you said,
was definitely not a T-bone. 100% not a
Side
T-bone.
swipe, right?
It looks like somebody just it doesn't even look like a side swipe. It looks like something just tore this thing like this thing looks like it came from like Jurassic Park or something. Like, what is that?
Chupacabra or something.
It
like
just
kinda
got ripped up.
got
It's
at it,
obviously
dude.
all aluminum, so it just like tore this thing to shreds. Who knows what happened?
We couldn't find a story, honestly, on
couldn't
this.
find a story. We did a bunch of research. Maybe you guys can do your guys' research. Let us know. But the very most important thing that I noticed while I was looking at this car, first thing I did was jump at this wheel right here. I was like, oh, we're gonna need a new wheel. And look at that, we had like some stuff going on right here. I thought that was a brake, but what I noticed is this hole right here. You see that hole in the caliper?
I sure do, dude.
What can make a hole like that in the caliper?
Only a bullet or like a stick or something, but that goes all the way. Let me put my pinky in.
Dude,
that goes all the way
that
through,
goes
I believe
all the way
so.
through, and then when you look right here, and then you look right here, and then you look at the bottom, and then you just get to investigating this wheel or tire and wheel and caliper and rotor. Hopefully the caliper is good. Got shot up, dude.
Wow,
so this
dude.
thing has definitely been into shooting. I wonder if it was like a police chase and it looks like somebody tried shooting out the tire. They did a good job. It's off the car.
Hey.
But look what happened. So like it got me thinking, like, what happened to the rest of the car? So if it was involved in a shooting, then
Oh, dude, this kind of does like resemble a cop bull bar or something, like swiping it from the side, or
Who knows?
maybe a SWAT truck or
somebody
something, dude.
like, or they were trying to rip the doors off, or somebody was trying to run away and they were just like running through stuff, and then you get a little closer.
Are we gonna
right
go
here,
on the
dude.
inside yet,
No, we're
dude?
not gonna go on the inside yet, but look right here, dude.
No, how do you see this
Dude,
stuff?
don't
dude?
that look like another bullet that hit right there and kind of ricocheted up? Luckily, our glass is good, but our roof definitely has a little bit of damage right there from that. That is just insane. I don't see anywhere else on the door any like entry sections, but I mean, it's all obliterated.
Yeah,
You're
this
not
is
gonna
all
be able to
destroyed.
tell.
Let's go to the front here and see if we can see any clues here. Does that look like maybe a bullet hole right there or something?
I don't know. Look at these weird little marks right here, man. I'm telling you, I can be an investigator. I'm telling you,
Dude.
man. It's just interesting stuff to see all this stuff. And it kind of has a weird damage here, another weird damage here. Just does not make sense. Nothing is really like making sense for me. It's kind of weird how everything is just like ripped up, torn apart. This fender got ripped up. We lost our little like side piece right here, but the hood for
It's
the
good,
most part
right?
looks good. Yeah, it looks good. There's apparently
Is there
like,
PPF on it as
yeah,
well?
there's
I think
PPF
so.
on it. I think the whole front kit has like a
Wow.
PPF, so it's fixable, but that's crazy, dude. Whatever happened to this thing? I want to know. I want to get to the bottom of this. The inside's even crazier, guys, but
That's pretty much it for the damage on the exterior,
yeah,
right?
that's pretty much it for the damage on the exterior. We don't know what's going on. When we bought this thing, did it say, it said it runs, right?
It said it runs and drives, dude. There's a bunch of stuff going on with the interior that's not as
unbelievable.
described in the listing.
You guys know how auctions are. It's crazy, but you know what? We're excited to get into it.
All right, guys, so now it's time to move into this interior of this Lamborghini Urus and just go ahead and just give them a zoomed in look in here right here. And that looks pretty filthy right there, right off the bat. In the pictures, dude, this thing was minty fresh. All that stuff was put together. Nothing was ripped apart. And when we got it, literally, it got completely destroyed, torn apart. We asked the delivery driver, like, what was going on, and he really doesn't know. And I'm almost thinking that maybe he parked in some sort of part of town where somebody got into it and literally just like destroyed the insides of it or something like that.
It just doesn't make sense, because as you guys can tell, center console is missing a bunch of stuff right there, which, I mean, why would somebody take apart the center console? And obviously some trim pieces on the dash over there. Let me get up in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, you see all those trim pieces missing and stuff like
Oh
that?
my goodness. Hopefully our dash is not destroyed. Let me go ahead and take a
Dude,
look at that. We know how to repair dashes.
we
though.
got a technique, but always sucks when you see the windshield crack like that, because it does scratch up that dash.
Definitely scratches up the dash. These doors won't open right here. I think this rear door
Oh, that rear door. Let's check out the rear end, dude.
Let's go ahead. Look at this.
There's some dash pieces or some trim, dude.
Of course, yeah. I don't know how they ended up in here. I guess somebody like tore it apart or tried to get at something.
I think they might
Why
have.
did they leave it? Or
you know what could happen?
telling.
Like after this car goes to the auction, sometimes they still keep these cars under investigation. You know what I mean?
Maybe the investigators like got into there, tried to find some sort of stuff.
Locate some bullet rounds.
Very
dude.
possible, because you know what? We actually noticed some stuff. Is there any bullet holes going through this door? Because
is the door panel good? No holes through it?
No
nothing?
holes through this. You know, imagine if this car has a bunch of bullet holes going through the interior, hitting stuff that
have to change out leather and stuff like that, dude. So we got to keep an eye out. I'm sure that it's a very big possibility, dude.
It is. This door right here is perfect condition. All the pieces right here got a little bit of dust on them. I think we can clean them up. I'm noticing some scratches here and there, but you know what? It's nothing to worry about.
Look at the seats, dude. The stitching on the seats, is that red and black, dude? That looks amazing.
And look at that, dude. The Lamborghini stitched in the headrest right there.
Oh, look at the Alcantara ceiling, dude. That is sick,
That's what I'm talking about. Noticed a little bit of damage on this right here. Oh, never mind. A little bit of dust. My bad. You know, investigator missed the
quarter
spot
panel right here, dude. Has it been pushed in pretty good?
Completely pushed in. I think we're gonna have to change this whole entire side right here, the inner structure as well. That's gonna be pretty crazy right there. But let's move on to the back over here to the trunk. Let's see what's going on in here,
dude. This is very interesting when you see some stuff like this going on. Like, what's going on? Like, why is the rear glass busted? Did somebody shoot out the rear glass possibly,
That's
dude?
very possible. I'm thinking that's exactly what happened right here. Somebody probably took a little shot at it and it just shattered this whole entire back end.
Dude?
That's the criminal's shirt.
Oh, is that no?
What is
What is that red stuff? I think
dude,
you should just leave
it
that alone.
It didn't say biohazard. I know a lot of times when something like that happens, it should say biohazard. It didn't say it on here.
No biohazard.
So let's just go ahead and hop to the front first. Look at all the gaps on this door. They're perfect. So that's a really good sign right there alone.
Yeah, when you're looking at a car that's been damaged that hard, you want to see if all these gaps are good. So these gaps are all original, but dude, the door, dude, that is good. Oh,
feels good, man. That doesn't look good, dude. Literally, I remember looking at the car. I was like, wow, look, the whole interior is intact. All we got to worry about is that side over there. We get it and it's like this, but you know what? I feel like the insurance company can get away with this because, you know, it left the auction already.
Yeah, it left the auction. Can't really do nothing about it. I mean, we could complain, but there's only so much you can do. Is that a computer?
That is a computer.
Wire, so it almost looks like somebody yanked this all out, dude.
Why would you do that? Like, for what?
Like, what are you
know what I
taking?
mean? The investigators, they don't know how to take apart these cars, so you know what? They're just ripping stuff apart and
trying to get to it, but the computer is a very big question. Dude, look at the interior. Is that a...
That is sick right there. Look at that control. Some
awesome.
Scratches right there. Definitely gonna have to fix it up. Two screens right there.
Three screens of the dash,
three.
too.
That's insane.
The interior definitely looks let me sit in here real quick.
Go ahead, but be careful. You might be under investigation.
Oh my goodness, dude. That is absolutely. And over here, there's a bunch of stuff taken apart in the floorboard. Look at that.
Dang, dude. Man, this is crazy to see it like this. You know, we noticed this right away as soon as we got the car. We're like, dang, what's going on? And then we kind of had to put it away because we were working on other stuff. But let's just go ahead and open this door right here. And we kind of opened the door a little bit when we got it, and look at what we noticed right here. A bullet lodged into the door right there, into the speaker, and it's still there, dude.
That is absolutely insane. So that right there is super crazy. I would have thought it, like, if this thing was investigated, they would remove all the like rounds and stuff like that. There's actually lodged
a 9mm bullet, or who knows what that is, dude.
Let us know. If we're gonna have to pull that thing out here soon and do our own investigation.
Exactly, we sure will, but I'm kind of thinking, is there any more possible bullet holes that we're not noticing or something? You know?
It's gonna come
How did it get there?
How did it get there? Which projector,
which angle of travel did it attack
We're gonna have
to
do our own investigating. That is absolutely crazy. Imagine start taking apart this interior and what we find inside, dude.
There could be all sorts of crazy stuff that's going on with this thing, but you know what? We're gonna keep on digging here in the next video. But guys, that's gonna be pretty much all for today's video. We're super happy to announce to you guys the brand new build, and this build right here is gonna be one after the other. We're gonna get this sucker finished up. We're gonna order all the parts. We're gonna get all the aftermarket stuff, not aftermarket bumpers. I'll tell you that right now. It's gonna look absolutely insane. And also drop all your comments and thoughts down below. What are your thoughts? What do you guys think happened to this sucker? And what do you guys wanna see us do with this thing? But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Drop all your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.